Only a few things in this world remain a mystery, however of those that are, perhaps none is as prominent or impressive as a woman's mind. While some may find the complexities of a woman's mind complicated, they are certainly an object of desire and affection. A man who would dare believe that he has women figured out is only fooling himself, as any single word a woman expresses may hold up to a dozen different meanings. A simple hello can mean anything from I need to talk, it's over, or just simply hello. However, what if there was a way for men to understand how women think, or to get into a woman's mind and see things from her perspective? This would be an invaluable tool for any man, whether he is looking for a long-term relationship, or just trying to get some quick action, then it would be well worth knowing regardless of the situation. So with that said, here is everything you need to know in order to hack a woman's mind and live there rent-free. Number 1. Always maintain self-control. At all times, a man should be in control of himself and his emotions. You should never let your feelings get the best of you, and never lose your cool. This will allow you to always control the situation, regardless of what is happening around you. Women are attracted to men who can stay calm under pressure, and understand what they are doing. Women will always be drawn to men who fit this description. When you are in control of yourself, you are also in control of the situation. You can make things happen instead of waiting for them to happen. While other men might crumble under the slightest bit of stress, a man in control of his emotions will thrive in these situations. He is able to understand how to keep his composure and do what needs to be done. When a woman sees that you can handle yourself in a crisis, she will let down her guard and be more likely to trust you. She will know that you are a man who can protect her and keep her safe. Number 2. Understand how to read women. Men who are experts at reading people have an easier time with accessing a woman's mind. They can quickly size up a person's character and understand their intentions. This allows them to always be one step ahead of everyone else, as they can anticipate what someone is going to do before they even make their move. This ability also comes in handy when trying to understand women, as it'll be easier to quickly pick up on the subtle cues women give off. While other men might miss these cues, men who understand body language will use them to their advantage, and can gain a deeper understanding of the woman they are talking to. This skill is also useful when trying to influence people and get them to do what you want. This is a valuable skill when it comes to dating, however one must not be abusive with this power. Just because you can control someone, doesn't mean you always should. Number 3. Ask engaging questions. Engaging questions are the bread and butter of good conversation. Men who are curious by nature can use this curiosity to ask interesting and engaging questions. This not only shows that you are interested in her, however it also allows you to get to know her better. Asking the right questions is a great way to flatter a woman as well. Women love to talk about themselves, and when you do this, you give them the chance to do so. The key here is to avoid questions that are too personal, or can be answered with a simple yes or no. Instead, ask open-ended questions that require a more detailed answer. You should also avoid asking questions that you already know the answer to. Accessing a woman's inner thoughts and feelings is what will really turn her on. This is what creates the connection that all women crave. Understanding how women think is essential for any man who wants to be successful with them. Women are complex creatures, and often say one thing but mean another. To get into a woman's mind, you must learn how to combine psychology with conversation. Psychology is the study of the human mind, and can be used to understand why people think and behave the way they do. By using psychology in your conversations, you will be able to get a better understanding of what she is really thinking and feeling. Number 4. Know how to empathize. The ability to empathize is one of the most important traits a man can have. It allows you to understand how someone else feels, and why they feel that way. This is an essential skill when interacting with women, as it allows you to see things from their point of view. Men who do well with women know how to empathize with them and understand their needs. They understand how to put themselves in her shoes, creating a connection that other men can't. This allows them to create a bond with her that is hard to break. When you can empathize with a woman, she will open up to you and share things with you that she wouldn't share with anyone else. This is because she knows that you understand her and care about her feelings. The key here is not only to understand how she feels, but also to make her feel understood. Women are natural empaths, which means they are constantly looking for a man who can understand and empathize with them. If you want to access the deepest parts of a woman, you need to be able to do this. Number 5. Understand body language. A man who knows how to read body language will always have an advantage when it comes to hacking a woman's mind. These men can tell when she is interested, when she is attracted, and when she is ready to take things to the next level. It has been suggested that body language constitutes more than 60% of what we communicate, so learning to read the nonverbal cues others send is a valuable skill. From eye behavior to the direction in which a person points his or her feet, body language reveals what a person is really thinking. These men also understand how to use their own nonverbal communication to turn her on, and make her want them even more. Being aware of body language in others means that you can pick up on unspoken emotions and reactions. It's a valuable form of feedback, however it can easily be missed if you're not aware of what to look out for. While other men struggle to figure out a woman's body language, men who understand this nonverbal communication are already 2 steps ahead. They'll know how to send the right signals, and understand how to receive them. This allows them to create a mood and an environment conducive to seduction. This is a valuable skill that any man can learn, however it takes time and practice to master. But once you've mastered it, your mind will be blown by the results. Number 6. Understand how to listen. Men who do well with women don't just hear what a woman is saying, they actually listen to her. They pick up on the subtle cues and nonverbal communication she is conveying, and use this information to better understand her. Every time a woman speaks, these sort of men make mental notes and tries to understand her on a deeper level. While other men might be thinking about what they will say next, these guys focus on understanding the woman in front of them. This allows them to build a strong connection with her, and learn what she really wants. It's not enough to hear what a woman is saying, you have to understand the message she is trying to get across. More than that, you have to be able to see things from her perspective. This is the only way to truly understand how she thinks and what she wants. More importantly, this will give you a major advantage when it comes time to make your move, as you will know exactly what she is looking for. When women talk, you are expected not just to repeat what they have said word for word, but also to listen with your eyes. However, as absurd as that may sound, it is a necessary aspect of understanding the psychology of women. You will need to be on the lookout for anything out of the ordinary. There are numerous facial cues, which are frequently expressed for a fraction of a second, such as shock, fear, contempt, anger, and so on. As a result, listening with both your eyes and ears is critical to figuring out the hidden message a woman is trying to send.